welcome back to PyAI Hub. So far, we have learned how to filter data using word and or, like, in, and between. Okay, I hope you remember that. So, workloads where we put our condition and when both conditions are satisfied. When it comes to or, it shows any one of the condition is satisfied, we will get the output. And like means we will provide the pattern matching in when there are so many O's, we will provide in instead of or, and between, which will give greater than or equal to and less than or equal to values. Okay. So, um, what if we want to sort the data? Okay. So there might be many more sorting. Okay. Maybe show only the top two rows. That's where our order by comes and limit comes. Okay. So we have ordered by and limit. When we want to sort the data according to two top rows, top five rows in that case. So today we will learn how to sort and control our results step by step. Okay, every day we go truly beginner level. So I hope you understand this. Let's begin. First of all, we need to open our database. Before that, I need to provide the location. Okay, so here I gave the location. Afterwards, we need to take the open database. Okay, here our database name is PyAI Analytics. I opened that. Now our DuckDB is in live. So every time we start with select staff from students. Okay. Afterwards, we will get the whole rows and columns. This is our to students tables. Okay. So right now the rows appears in the order they were inserted, but we can't. We can change that. Okay. We can change the name. We can change the city. All that can be changed. Okay. So our part one, that's ordered by. So it's like sorting data. Okay. So ordered by is used to sort the results. By default, it sorts in ascending order. So if we didn't provide ordered by with anything like descending or ascending, it will just take it in as ascending order. Okay. So in pandas also, you remember we gave ordered by, we gave ascending as false. Okay. So you may remember that too. Like this, we provide ascending false or provide the word descending. Okay, let's run. Before that, we need to go through an example to know how ordered by really works. Here I am going to write select star from students, and then we need to use order by, and then age. So here I provided the age and we just run it. Okay. So this sorts students by age. Small age appears first, and ascending order means from smallest to the largest. Okay. So here it's in ascending order. So the 20 comes first, then 21, 22, and 23. That's how ascending order works. And it's just take in ascending order by default. Okay. So what if we want the data or the age in descending order? There we place a DESC keyword or the query inside that. Okay, here it's age. Afterwards, we provide the word DESC and run. Now let's look here. Here, it reversed. It comes the first 23, 22, 21, and 20. Now you understand, descending means descending largest age appears first and the smallest appears at the last. So it's very important. Okay, if you want to give ASC, like here I provide DES. What if I provide ASC? So there is both query ASC and DESC we gave for descending order and ascending order. By default, it's always ascending order, so ASC is not that necessary. But it's a main thing or important query you need to know about. Okay. Now, if we want to sort things by or our column by name. Okay, so let's sort it with name. Select start from. I'm writing this because I want you to write it with me. Okay, students, and use order by with name and then semicolon. Right. So this sorts names alphabetically from A to Z. Now first is Ananya, then Arun, Meera, Rahul. So it shows in A to Z way. Okay. When it comes to DESC, what happened? Let's use. Now it's reversed again. Okay. So now you know how to use ordered by. We used ordered by with descending and ascending options or just ordered by, which is in default provide in the ascending order. Okay. So here, when we just use ordered by, it provide in A to Z way. When we provide the desk at the end of ordered by, we will get in Z to A way. Okay. So I hope it's clear. Now our part 2. So did you remember what I said? Our part 1 and part 2? The first one was ordered by, the next is limit. Here, the limit control the number of rows. Okay. It used to restrict how many rows we see. So let's run it and understand how it works. Select start from students. Afterwards, we provide the limit and let's give 2 and the semicolon. So what you see here, this shows only the first 2 rows from the results. Okay. So the important note is limit does not filter. It only restricts how many rows are displayed. Okay. So that's how limit work here. What if we use ordered by and limit together? That's very important. So if I use limit, let's write. Okay. We don't want to paste it. Let's write. Select star from students. Afterwards, I gave order by. Then let's give age, which is in descending order, and limit, which is 2. So, yeah, what you guess is right. We will get the age in descending order. That is, the highest value first and the lowest value at the last. Okay? And it give the limit 2. That means the limit will be taken as 2. The only 2 of them will be shown. Okay? If there are more than 1 or 2, like here, when we provide the ordered by here, we get 4 values, right? So here we get 4 values, but here we get only 2 values and the first 2 values. So you notice that, right? Here the first 2 values are given in our ordered by plus limit option. Okay. In real analysis, we often combine ordered by and limit. That's why we do it here. So first we go by sorting age in descending order. Then we limit the result to 2 rows. So this gives us the top 2 oldest options. Now you see the results. So result sinks. Okay, the result will show us what it if this happens like this. What if we use limit is 3? What if we use name as some other things? If you use a limit 3 also, we get output 3 of them. Okay, so we can use another practical examples, like while we analyze, we just not randomly put things like this. We will change our code as per our stakeholders or the person who leads says. Okay, so we answer the questions as per our lead. Okay, so here, if we want, if you want to fetch some informations, like to fetch a youngest student in this list, you can get it. Okay, so because it's a tiny database, you may see it by your bare eyes and you can read it so easily. But if there is a larger data set, it may not be possible. So that's where we will use our SQL or SQL. Okay. So when we want the younger student, what will you do? You need to understand the difference between desk and ascending. That's S. So here, if we use the descending order, we will get the first item will be the highest number or the highest stage. But if we use ascending, the first will be the lowest. So that's our key. Now let's do it. Okay, select from students. We need the youngest child. Okay, so we are using order by. And what should we do? We provide the age. After that, ASC, and we need only the youngest one, the only one. Okay, so I'm giving the limit as 1. So here it's sort from smallest to the largest, and we provide the limit 1. This gives us the youngest student. Okay, I hope it's clear because it's super simple, and you guys are really easy picker and fast pickers. Okay, so as a recap, I'll say about order by, which is used to sort data. There is ASC and DESC. So ascending means smallest to largest. When it's called descending, it means largest to smallest. And when we come to limit, here we placed our limit. It controls how many rows we will see. When combined, they help us to find top or bottom results. When we want top 10 rows, all that can be achieved by getting limit. Okay. In the next episode, we will learn about understanding null values in SQL. And if this video helped you, subscribe to PyAI Hub and continue the SQL roadmap with us. We will do harder queries, but not now because we need to thorough the basics. Only then we get a strong base. Okay, we really need a strong base before moving it to complicated codes. Okay, so do it by yourself. Fetch the highest one. I mean, fetch the highest stage. Fetch someone from Chennai or Mumbai. Okay, that's how we learn. Okay, so see you in the next lesson. Thank you for watching this video.